Hi, I'm Joanna, an EAC or Education Impact Consultant here at PowerSchool. I'm so glad you're here to learn more about Schoology, our learning management system. Today I'm going to be talking about the rich text editor that you find within our materials section of Schoology. So there's going to be lots of things to look at, and we're excited to show you. Are you ready? Here we go. There are so many options in the rich text editor for the materials created in Schoology, and I'm going to walk you through an assignment created that includes embedding content, Power Buddy for Learning, and some added features in the Schoology rich text editor, including the accessibility checker. So I came and I added an assignment. I've already created this assignment for my Algebra 1. It's down here, and I'm just going to edit it. So I'm going to come down here, and as you can see, I've already embedded some content. Well, how did I do that? I came up here, I added image and media, I went to From the Web, Media, and I embedded a link from YouTube. This happens to be a Khan Academy video on two-step equations. Here it is. I grabbed it from the internet, and it's right there, and the students will be able to see that. So I came over here and did that. Oh man, I just would really like some questions that helps me, those students to understand that. So I'm going to generate some content using our Power Buddy, this icon over here. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to be as descriptive as possible. I'd like to create 5 two-step, one variable equation questions with answers for Algebra 1. The variable can be on both sides of the equation. I'm not really worried about text length, but I would like the reading level to be 9th grade. These are my 9th graders, and I'm going to press generate. Let's see what happens. So look how awesome that looks. So I have all of these equations, and I'm going to add that to my editor. So here it is. Here's all of those questions. Well, I can come in and I can edit this, make sure that you edit it. I can come in and bold things if I would like. If I would like to underline anything, I can do that. All of that I can do. So then I can also, one of our best features of this rich text editor is we have check for accessibility. So I'm going to check that. Oh, no issues detected. So what the user can use this for is we can see if they have the heading levels, missing or incorrect alt text for images, format lists, text color contrast, merge links. So this accessibility checker is very helpful, but there are no issues detected. Great, I can close this out, and I'm going to make sure that this is created for my students. I'm going to save changes. And here is my assignment. And I want to check this assignment as one of my students. I'm going to view course as. I'm just going to go to my student 1 here, come down and look at this assignment. Here is that video that they can press on. Here are all those questions that they can look at on how to do this, and they can submit anything that you would like to submit if you put in that you would like them to do any questions. I hope you found delving into the rich text editor will be helpful in your classroom, and please pass this along to a friend and look for more of our videos from PowerSchool.